We wanted the finance or treasury to give more money to this program, but there wasn't just enough money. So it's been scaled back quite a bit, disappointingly. But we are hoping that more money, as the fiscus gets more revenue, we will be able to upscale that. These programs, all of them together, have proven to be quite beneficial to young people, and some of them have actually been bursaries. Various government departments have given bursaries to young people, either to learn here in our country or even offshore. Combined with what we are doing through NSFAS, we have found that these programs are actually empowering to young people. So a combination of all these programs have standing young people in good stead. And you may also know that we set up a platform where young people flight their own CVs and make themselves available to employers. It's a platform that now has up to 5 million young people, and a number of them are able to source employment or training through that platform. So much is being done to bring down the levels of unemployment, particularly amongst young people in